Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating the canvas and placing a background image. This sets the visual foundation. Tap the plus button, pick a custom size or 1080 x 1920, then import your photo or solid color. Make sure to use a resolution appropriate for output, 72 for web, 300 for print, because clarity depends on it. Once done, enable the grid and snapping so elements align neatly, and set margins to about 5% to avoid cropping during printing, which saves time later. Next, add images, stickers, and text. Layering creates depth, so rename layers as you go to stay organized. You'll adjust visuals, exposure, contrast, saturation to make each element cohesive. Use masks or the erase tool to blend edges and avoid hard cutouts. For typography, limit yourself to 2 or 3 fonts, then establish hierarchy with size, weight, and color contrast so viewers scan naturally. Make sure to zoom in and preview at actual size to catch alignment or pixelation issues before moving on. To finish, add subtle shadows, highlights, and a vignette to unify the poster. These small steps increase perceived depth and focus. Then double-check alignment, text hierarchy, and color balance across the whole canvas. When exporting, choose PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller files, and pick highest quality if you plan to print. If something goes wrong, confirm layers aren't locked, clear the app cache, or re-import problem assets. These fixes resolve most missing element or export quality issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.